Hello video creators, welcome to HitPaw channel. M4A file is only seen when you download audio content via the Apple iTunes Store. It is encoded with AAC compression, which significantly reduces the size of each file with good quality. There are two ways to convert M4A to MP3, online and offline. We will show you how to do that. Online video converter. Open a browser and go to hitpaw.com. Click Online Tools and find Video Converter. The online video converter can convert videos and audios to any formats with simple clicks. Choose your M4A file and open it. Then select the target format, which is MP3. And click Convert. Within seconds, the file is converted. We can then download the MP3 file on the computer. Hello video creators. What a wonderful day. Desktop video converter. If you want to convert lots of files in batch and do further editing, desktop video converter would be a better choice. It is more powerful and has more functions. You can get the desktop video converter from hitpaw.com. In the Products tab, find HitPaw Video Converter, and download it on your Windows or Mac computer. After installing, launch the converter. In the Convert module, click the middle button to import your M4A files. Then select the target format to audio, MP3, high quality. Here are also lots of other video and audio formats with different presets. You may also customize the settings as you wish. After that, click Convert All and the M4A files are converted to MP3 successfully. Hello video creators. What a wonderful day. If you want to keep editing the files, you can go to the Edit module and do the cutting, merging, cropping or other editing. Just explore the features as you like. Alright, this is how you can convert M4A to MP3. If this video helps, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. It will be a great help for our channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.